go back to the shop and actually do a full cleaning on this thing today. It's kind of muggy in here. It rained all night. Oops, wrong way. Rained all night, so. And I need a windshield because this one is leaking. So definitely gotta get that ordered up. Can't have that. There we go. I can't wait to get all this garbage out of here. Got all the old brake stuff back here. I never actually cleaned the car out, so I don't know what on the carpet. So, got that cleaned up today. Get this nasty headliner down. Yeah, just pick up at the shop. All right, made it to the shop. Let's go get the vacuum out. Yeah, the main thing I need right now. Get to it. All right, so before we get started, let's see what we're working with. Like I said, I haven't cleaned anything. All the crap is still down here from when I picked it up. A lot of that stuff is from doing the brakes. A lot of that garbage is mine, but you can see right there, the rats did all that good stuff. So let's see what we got there. Same with back here. A lot of this is from the brakes. A lot of these boxes are from the brakes. And now that I think about it, I have not opened up that panel back there. It's got a power window in the tailgate, but it's not working right now, so it probably needs a fuse or maybe the motor replaced. So I gotta clean that out. The spare tire well also back there. I don't know what's on that panel, so there could be a coyote skeleton for all I know back there. So let's get to it. Look who's here. What's up, Zay? I like your hair, man. You ready to help out? Let me show you what I'm doing. Come here. I like your Crocs, my man. Check you out. What we got there? What are those? What kind of Crocs are those? The Mickey Mouse Crocs? What are those?
Minecraft.
Minecraft. Come on, let's check it out. Come on this side. I'll show you what I'm doing. Your hair looks so nice, man. Mama did a good job with that. You tell Mama peace out. All right, look, Zay. So we're gonna be cleaning out all this garbage in here, like all these boxes and stuff.
Okay.
And then we're gonna, yeah, pretty easy, no sweat, man. And then I'm vacuuming right now, so let me see if I can get you some gloves. You can help me put the cardboard. We'll put the cardboard in this garbage can right here, and then stuff like that. So, deal. What were you doing? Are you playing Fortnite or something? You weren't playing Fortnite? What were you doing then?
I am very good at door edits.
Door edit? What's a door edit? What's a door edit?
It's something in Fortnite which you have to get your pickaxe. There's also a thing called Day of Doom.
Day of Doom.
And look, you get a bunch of materials, and this is how you can do a door edit.
Ooh, whoa. All right. We'll use that to clean the car up? All them techniques to clean the car up?
Well, that can't work in real life.
Oh, it doesn't work in real life? Just Fortnite? Okay. All right, let's see if I can find some gloves. Whoa, hey now. Chill, my man. And you know he's ready to go because he got the Crocs in go mode, not whoa mode. All right, go ahead and pull that stuff out. Put it right in here. Yeah, it's perfect. Up right in there. Let's bring this blue bag out too. Okay, well here, pull it out from the outside. Ooh, careful. Careful, careful, careful.
How long has this car been? How long has this stuff been in here for?
Well, these boxes have only been here for like probably 4 months, but all the garbage that's gonna be on the floor has been in here for a long time. This car has been parked since 1987.
Do you still need all this inside here?
No, that's all garbage. You can pull it out. Like, let me see this box right here. There we go.
I'm gonna check the front.
Okay, well, the front seat's clean. Can you hand me that box right there? The brown box right there, and these two little ones? Thanks, my man.
There we go.
And then look, these two boxes down here. Watch your head though when you hand those to me. Yeah, those are spark plug. Oh wait, no, those are old bearing boxes. Let me see. No, we need this. We need to throw it away. Let me see that other one.
Okay, I'll do it.
Okay.
There you go.
All right.
Hold on.
And then look, we need that garbage on the ground too.
That?
No, behind you on the floor. So here, stand on the concrete. There you go. And then just throw it in here like that.
You want me to do this?
There we go.
All of this.
There we go. Use some of those.
Huh?
Perfect.
I do not want any of this on my leg.
Yeah, me neither.
I would rather keep my son away from here.
Why?
Cause?
Wait, you're my son though.
Oh yeah.
Should I keep you away from it?
No.
There we go. You're doing a good job, man. Okay, let me we're gonna get the other side. We're gonna bring the garbage can around and go to the other side. But come out real quick. And there's a little bit of trash right there. Right there. Those napkins and stuff. You can throw those in here also. Perfect. And then those two boxes right there. The box and the cardboard. No. Yeah, the box and the cardboard. Perfect. Throw that in there, and that little bit of cardboard right there. Cardboard.
This?
Yep. Excellent. All right, well, let me get in there and vacuum it now. Okay? I'm gonna finish vacuuming the front, all right? Okay. You wanna do the back?
Yeah, I'm doing the back.
Okay, and then I'll do the front because there's some stuff we're gonna keep. You can just bring all that cardboard out. There you go. Just
Want to throw it?
No, just throw it on the ground. Perfect. Okay. Oh wait, that's garbage. Hey, that's garbage. Throw that in the garbage can. That stuff you just pulled out. Right there behind you. Look, they're right there for you.
This?
Yeah, the black garbage can right here. Yeah, throw all that garbage in there. This too right here. Look. Where are you going? I brought it to this side.
I have no brain cells.
No brain cells.
Kinda.
Gotcha. Okay, grab that little rag down there.
This?
Oh, that too. Let me see that. Let me see that box.
Kind of hard.
Yep. So yeah, grab that rag down there and throw it in this garbage.
This?
No, the rag. See the red rag before you? Right there on the ground. Look, on the ground.
This?
Yeah.
This?
Where are you going, my child? Look, right here. Look right there. Right behind you. There you go. And then grab the paper towels.
Okay.
Those also going to go in the garbage. Excellent. All right, and then grab this little cardboard box right there. That says break, but there you go. Throw that in there. Excellent. All right, and then once you do that, okay, now let me get in there. Let me finish up the rest of the stuff.
Do that while I clean the front.
Well, hold on, there's some stuff in the front I gotta sort through first, so let me just do this real fast. Toolbox. A line of some sort. Old neutral safety switch. And the old brake booster. So I'll keep the cap off it. I don't need anything else really. Hey, it's still full of fluid. Okay, let me not spill that everywhere. Yeah. Fuel filter gasket. Gotta put the seat on. Finish the front first. All right, it's headliner time. Pretty much undid any vacuuming I did earlier. I should have pulled the headliner down from the beginning. It was gonna be crap up there, so it's all down though. And then I can just vacuum all this up, and then I can go see what's behind that panel. And then pretty much call it a day, because little man's hungry. He's been very patient. So, a quick work of this. See what's waiting for me back there and get up out of here.